Hello viewers, today I'll be showing you how to connect this device on your car, the remote control disconnect switch. So this device is helping to keep the current from the battery, because this car, as you can see, is having drain battery problem. Whenever you park the car, you come to start it in the morning, the battery is flat. So we have tried to check a couple of things. We have changed the alternator. We have even changed the fuse box, both in and out. It's not still going, it's not working. So we have decided to put this device on this car so that the battery wouldn't be going down. And this device can also help your car from not being stolen, because this device is having a remote. So once you put this device on your battery, once you off the car, once you press off on this remote, it's going to cut the current from the battery, which means that if somebody even happens to open your car, he cannot have access to start the car because the current is switched off. It is only when you press this on button that the current can come on or give access for the car to start. So this device is also good for those who are afraid that their car can be stolen one day. You can buy this device and connect it to your car. It will help you so much. So let me show you how to connect this device. It is very simple. As you see this terminal side, the side with the terminal is going to the negative side of the battery. Don't look at this adaptation that I have done here. I've done this adaptation because the battery frame is disturbing the terminal to go in. You can still use the short bowl if you are not having any disturbances from the battery side, the negative side. So I've decided to put it this way to send it right down so that the terminal should have access to go in. So this side, the negative side where the terminal is going into the negative side. You will tie it into the negative side, and then this is the negative terminal. This negative terminal is going to come where you see the minus here. You will lose this bolt or this knot, and then you will put the terminal here, and then you will tie it. And then this small wire, the red cable, as you can see, is the positive cable. It's going to the positive side of the battery. Once you have connected like that, it is good to go. You can turn it on and turn it off and see if it's working. So let's do it together and see how it works. So I have tied my negative side on the battery. The terminal is well tied. So now I will remove this one. You see, now this is the negative side, the negative terminal. You put it here like this. And then you would on, is off, is on, is off. So you see it's working out perfectly.